actually day 2 in Mount Abu and we have got ready and we'll be having our breakfast and again we'll be get going for the sightseeing. Today mostly we'll be exploring the Nakki Lake Brahma Kumari Center, as Mount Abu is famous for the Brahma Kumaris, and maybe we'll also explore some temples. Actually Mount Abu is known for its spiritual significance. So today would be our last day in Mount Abu and maybe tomorrow we'll be leaving for Udaipur. So without further much talking, let's get started. Just had the breakfast and now we have come to the Jain temple. It was a very beautiful mandir which depicted the Kanch Kari and it was extremely beautiful, and I would suggest you to visit this place for sure.
इडली अच्छा खमन ढोकला भी मिलता है।
हाँ, फिर इसके बाद में फाफड़ा मिलता है, जलेबी मिलता है, उधर सब मिलता है। इधर क्या कम में।
कौन सा है जो गट्टा खाने में कौन सा?
बेसन गट्टे की सब्जी।
नहीं, गट्टा और क्या बोलते हैं?
थाली दाल बाटी चूरमा।
दाल बाटी चूरमा वो फेमस है ना, सब जगह पे मिलता है।
मतलब वो मिलता है पर कई कई जगह अच्छा बनता है। बहुत जने तो हर जगह बनाने लग गए, वो टेस्ट में फर्क रहता है।
So now we have come to Nakki Lake. There are like a lot of water sports activities and other tourist attraction activities, like you can click photos in their traditional attires. So this is one of the spots, but I did not like it much. It's like a park and you can explore a lot of things. And related to this, there's a nearby market, local market, where you can buy pure cotton kurtis and all. This is extremely touristy place and it's very crowded, and as I'm showing you, here are the water sport activities. So the Nakki Lake was like really crowded and I don't like to visit crowded places. So there's one more spot and I think so it is called the honeymoon spot, which is inside the Nakki Lake premises. So we are walking over there and it's like at a higher altitude it seems. So we'll have to walk a bit and then we'll be able to reach that spot, and I'll try to review that place and let you know if it's really worth it or not. So it's approximately, I think so, 100 steps to climb, and the uphill journey is like very difficult. And we had a very wholesome breakfast like around half an hour before only, so it is making it even more difficult to climb the uphill journey. We definitely know that it would be worth it at the end, so we wouldn't lose any hope, and we are climbing at our own pace. It would be recommended to wear proper shoes, and it's like really hot, so you have to dress up appropriately. Carry a small water bottle if possible, because it's like extremely hot. Today the weather is in our favor because yesterday it was raining pretty heavily. So we are lucky enough that we are able to explore some places because बारिश में एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो चलो चढ़ते चढ़ते फाइनली हमारी मंजिल पे पहुंच जाएंगे.
हाँ 1 मिनट है. पहले पैसा देना है या शायरी सुनने के बाद?
शायरी सुनने के बाद. नाम बताओ.
हाँ नहीं, मेरा या इसका? साक्षी.
किसका भी नाम दो.
हाँ साक्षी निंदड़ा.
हाँ
साक्षी.
साक्षी. साक्षी दीदी नीचे फूल पड़ा तो उठाती क्यों नहीं. साक्षी दीदी नीचे फूल पड़ा तो उठाती क्यों नहीं. भैया से प्यार करती है तो बुलाती क्यों नहीं. चम्मच चम्मच में जीरा आकाश भैया लाखों में हीरा.
अरे वाह. लाखों में हीरा. लाखों में हीरा.
और उस भैया का.
हाँ कृष्णमूर्ति केपी.
केपी.
हाँ
केपी भैया चाय में पत्ती नहीं तो पीने का क्या मजा. केपी भैया चाय में पत्ती नहीं तो पीने का क्या मजा. साथ में केपी साथ में बीवी नहीं तो घूमने का क्या मजा.
अरे वाह.
और उस दीदी का.
पूजा.
पूजा.
हाँ.
पूजा दीदी फूलों को चढ़ोगे तो कांटा लगेगा. पूजा दीदी फूलों को चढ़ोगे तो कांटा लगेगा. भैया को चढ़ोगे तो टाटा पड़ेगा.
बहुत अच्छा बोला.
आपका नाम क्या है?
गोपाल.
गोपाल.
गोपाल तेरे पास चिल्लर है तो 50 का नोट दूंगा.
So we have finally reached our destination. This is the honeymoon spot, which gives an bird's eye view of this Mount Abu Nakki Palace, and it's like very windy and it feels like really great after having such an uphill journey. So yeah, it's extremely beautiful. So this is actually the honeymoon spot. I had misinterpreted the one that was below this. This is the honeymoon spot and we have finally reached the destination, and it's totally worth it because it's so windy and the weather is really great on top, and the scenic beauty is spectacular. I'm just loving the scene, and on top of it there is a small stall for eateries as well. It feels extremely great, and here we have the squirrel. So nature never disappoints anyone. So I'm really happy for this spot, and I think so you should definitely visit this spot for sure. Honeymoon spot was totally worth it, and now we are getting down. So the downhill part is like comparatively easy, but I could not say that it's easy because there are like big boulders and there is no concrete path over which you can get down. There are and as you know, it's almost the end of the rainy season and the weather is very erratic over here. So as compared to that, there is a lot of fungus that developed on these boulders. So it becomes extremely difficult for you to carefully get down. So I would recommend you to wear proper shoes over here and dress accordingly. We had an wholesome lunch. Now we will be visiting the Dilwara Jain temple. I hope videography or photography would be permitted. If it's not, I won't be able to cover it, but it's one of the main tourist spots in Mount Abu. So let's go. Finally visited the Dilwara temple. So there are a few pointers to take a note of before visiting this place. So firstly, they won't allow any cameras or phones inside, so you'll have to deposit them for like 50 rupees. And apart from this, there is a dress code to be followed. You cannot wear short clothes over there. And apart from this, you'll have to, in case of ladies, you'll have to cover your head. So these were the few pointers before visiting this place. So now we have come to the Brahma Kumari spot. It's like very beautiful and it's mainly on the outskirts. So now we'll be going to the reception area and exploring this place, as in what does it exactly contain, because we are also like totally new to this. Look at the greenery, guys. It's like extremely beautiful, and it has started, you know, drizzling a bit. So let's hope that it does not rain incessantly. This is the Universal Harmony Hall, which can accommodate around 1600 people and has translation for the seminars in 16 languages, which includes the international communities as well. You won't believe we just missed the opportunity of meeting Sister Shivani ji, and my mother is an ardent follower of her, and she just had a seminar with the top medical professionals over here. And this is the International Spiritual Art Gallery, which depicts various works of arts from around the world. It also has beautiful paintings which, you know, try to depict the various values one should follow for leading a happy life. And this is a gallery which takes approximately around 20 minutes to go through it, and you would really learn life lessons which are actually essential for leading a happy life. And we were assigned a person who gave us a beautiful walkthrough of it. Now we have finally come to the Shankaracharya temple, and it's a very beautiful depiction of the Shivlinga, and it's very peaceful over here. As you will keenly listen to the background music, you can hear the chirping of birds, and it's like extremely peaceful, and you can have your own time, you know, connecting with the higher divine soul. And it's a must place to visit, as it is extremely beautiful and pious. We have come to the sunset point. Over here it's around 150 per person, but the surrounding areas, as in the nature walk, is like amazing. It's like extremely soothing and refreshing. And now we'll be reaching the sunset point in some time. Let's see whether it's worth the hype or not. So this is the sunset point. It was around 1.5 kilometer walk, and then there were like around 23 to 30 steps, and then you get this spectacular view from the top. The weather is also extremely amazing. It's really fun, and it has started to drizzle again, so maybe we'll have to leave a bit early.
मूवी चलता है हाफ एन आवर का एकदम सॉलिड कुंभलगढ़ नहीं, कुंभलगढ़ तो उनका जहाँ पैदा हुए थे वहाँ वो चाइना जैसा वॉल है वहाँ, इतना आप खड़ोगे पूरा चाइना। हाँ वो देखा है मैं।
हल्दी घाटी बोलते हैं क्या?
वो कुंभलगढ़ है, वो हल्दी घाटी म्यूजियम है।
कितना दूर है कुंभलगढ़ से?
वहाँ से अप्रोक्सीमेटली 40-50 किलोमीटर। जब आप वहाँ से कहाँ जाओगे कुंभलगढ़ से?
अभी देखो कल हम लोग।
So I think so this was it for our sightseeing today. Maybe we will have some tea and explore the market, and maybe return back to the room because we are like super duper tired. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.